Hi friends, I'm Heather Leopard, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Elle Studio April 2018 kit, and I'll also show you 3 layouts that I created using it. So this is the main kit, and it comes bundled together in one package. It's got 2 sets of die cuts, which I think there's 27 here, and this one says "The day is yours," "Outdoor adventure," "Picture perfect," "I heart you," "Right now," "All of the details," "Time flies," and many, many more. And then the second one, you can see it says "This was amazing," "We were here," "Hello there," "Important," and then it's got some fun tags and labels. And then the kit also comes with 3 4x6 tags, which you can see here, and then 18 3x4 tags. So here's the third one, and then I'll show you each of the individual cards or tags here. So this one is Everyday Happiness, and it's got those great little sections for journaling, top 3 highlights, What is life but one grand adventure? This one, which you could use to stamp in, Yay or Nay. This fun kind of rainbowy looking card, a cute little pink and reddish pink floral here and there with a fun little banner on the side. A great one for journaling. Cute little flowers, perfect for your spring layouts and projects. And then this one says Observations from today. Eat, sleep, fill in the blank, repeat. A cute one that says currently, loving, eating, reading, watching, listening, creating, and the date. This caption one, which I actually cut out and used on a layout. And then Go See Do, another one that I cut out the individual words and used on a layout. Now let me show you some of the add-ons. So this one is actually one of my favorite. It's called Vellum Sentiments, and it's got 5 circles that are 2¼ inches wide, and they say work hard, play hard, let's go exploring, good times together, follow your heart, and then this makes me happy. And I used these across the top of my layout and made this kind of rainbow looking effect going down my page. You can see it at the end of this video. Next we have these cute wood veneer tabs. So I think there's actually 8 pieces in here, and they say feeling, enjoying, watching, eating, reading, loving, listening, and exploring. And then there's this great adventure acrylic, and these super fun acrylic stars. There's 9 of them, and they've kind of got this frosted look to them. So next we have a set of banner stickers. They say sunny days are the best days, hello happy, real life at its finest, and so on. And then we've got this sticker sheet that kind of reminds me of washi, but the stickers are not transparent. They're fully solid. And then there is this great April labels sheet. And of course, we all love our puffy stickers. I used most of these on all of my layouts so far, but you can see they've got some really fun sentiments here. And then some puffy alpha stickers. And then there's 2 new stamp sets. This one is the mini dated stamp set. It's got all of the months and some numbers, and then it says things like today's date, on this day, photograph taken on, captured on, and recorded on. And then the second stamp is called Currently, and you can see it's got this kind of label looking stamp area that fits perfectly on a 3x4 card, and then it's got tons of great words, yay or nay, documented, true story, exploring, loving, and so on. So that's it for the kit, but before you go, take a peek at 3 of the layouts I created using this kit. And you can also find process videos for these layouts here on my channel. Thanks so much for tuning in today, everyone. I hope you have a great day.